Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to the adventures of Susan. Here is a simple and yet very delicious recipe for preparing minced beef sauce. This is what you're going to need. 250 grams of minced beef, a grated carrot, nicely chopped green bell pepper, red onions, beef curry, crushed garlic, ginger, and vegetable cooking oil. Add the chopped onions and fry until they become translucent. Add the ground beef and cook until it's browned and cooked through. Break it into small pieces as it cooks. Add salt as you taste to suit your taste. Pour in some water and start to combine. This adds depth of flavor to the meat. Mix in the grated carrots, the crushed garlic, ginger, the bell green pepper, and the chopped red onions. Thank you for watching this far. Please remember that by subscribing, you will stay up to date with all our latest videos, and it's completely free. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, and let's continue with the video. Cook for a few minutes to let the spices meld with the beef. Then mix in the beef curry. I dare you to try out this recipe. You will thank me later.